Teri tinggal bangka subat tersin dosu cemang lagal henge cuba lagal jana lagal tinga lagal tuda lagal namba kundu lagal kusu ustada lagal yong lagal lamdo cuda lagal jura lagal tersin lagal lagal tadi wana piwala sujiyo
你这西大街上拉风，西上山的多啊，我们那个住宿，这西边面停啦，所以有住吉祥。
我要六这些个那个学霸这些年龄啊那么学了教育过。
去将个西点点，让你学个小心啊，拉的。老三当为你么？呀个出去安年，天都修热难看。来路西大我祝你，来下马送呀送酒。西门的雪，
서지비 힐로사르산 강와보미 남주야 윌로사라산 로로 힐라 로르용 윌로사르산 도샹돌라 가르좀 비윌로사라산
So happy Losar to all. This is the 2153rd Tibetan New Year, and I welcome you all. And the first program will be singing the Tibetan National Anthem and American National Anthem led by the Wisconsin Tibetan Language and Culture School students. So I would like to request everyone to please rise for the national anthems. who say, can you see why the dawn's early light was so proudly we held at the twilight's last shade, whose footsteps and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the heavenly ones were so gallantly singing, and the rockets red here, the bombs bursting here, gave proof to the night that our flag was still there. Oh, sing us that star-spangled banner yet, of the land of the free and the home of the brave. 괜찮아?
이동자들 그쪽으로 송구하는데 매달로 또 사파는 정말 삼주 쉬어받았다 아니 안되게 집에 뭐에 가지고 거를 다 뒤쉬에 달로 직다 달로 사바에 이내 가지고 안다 송기 쉬어야 돼 가격이 돈을 송기 쉬어야 되고 그래 딱 나라 송기 망제 캥게 되냐 안다 얘기 뒤 슈거에 근데디 가서 가서 꼴을 받고 싶으시대요. 꼴을 되게 상마 첩시반 미나 인가 찾는와 이게 얘기 슈거로 와. 가서나 나와 이만은 가도 안다 전주 부미 뒤쪽에 드럼살을 여배다리 슝게다 전주 그 슝랑 우리 체와 뒤에서 발팅 가도 가고 있는 줄 레스는 게 다들 살아 체대 포함수게 가도 마음과 안다 부디 모든 답변한 거에 마음과 인면에 모든 답변을 했지. 아니 이번에다 안다 가서 그 정부에도 가는 거지 노상에는 이모지게는 공부를 하는 것도 많이 많이 산업화다 부분이 된 것도 노사 처리 제대로 공부하는 사이 민만 요구 잠시 쉬게 아니 산업화 이번에 것도 이게 많이 돼 남들람 돼 나가는 신기하니 산업화다 부분이 된 것도 내려 노사 부지 제매가 출신의 당에 부지 쉬어가 이내 것도 노사 됐던 거에 대해 나라 수교체 도단 방고치랑 것도 같이 아니 때를 건조도 딩게는 되게 쉬사를 상마티 체리와 오진 얘기 건조도 딩기날 때 세가시 쉬나서 So first of all this Tibetan lunar calendar is 2001-53 so usually the year goes 2026 but Tibetan calendar goes 100 years before the international calendar and it is the year of fire horse. So I would like to wish all the guests very happy Tibetan New Year and Losar Kashidlek. And then also today we are celebrating this Losar Tibetan New Year with sad and happy both together. So the happy moment is that the last month the United States has passed a bill and they have recognized the Tibetan administration in Dharamsala as an exiled Tibetan government. So that's a huge historical bill passed for the Tibetan. But the sad news that His Holiness Dalai Lama's younger brother, Ngari Rinpoche, has passed away one day before the New Year. So that was a sad moment for us because His Holiness and his whole family was very grateful for the Tibetan struggle. And for that reason, on Tuesday, our community member, we spoke with the Deer Park Monastery and we have gathered in monastery on the Wednesday. That's the Tibetan New Year first day. And monastery had the prayer and then for the Ngari Rinpoche, late Ngari Rinpoche. And the Tibetan community here, we have decided to have Wednesday and Thursday to celebrate the New Year in community hall. And then we have a cultural program on Saturday. So this week, New Year, the first day of New Year and second day, so we cancel those things to pay homage for the Ngari Rinpoche. 아니 디네 딱 어떻게 표현하는 게 사실 주식 하스나 안다 다른데 나도 거기서 매일 사티아 페어래 디네 아니 Dean country executive and Melissa Gadiore, dear Baki Gishra Nambadure, and Danglashi, Dr. Zorpa, family Depere, and the former state representative Spencer Black and Digit Pragi, Nami Depere, and Spencer Black now you better not load shooting and other Tibet there. I didn't put the responsible to the two way the build the children made planet at all, and then Spencer Black planet. And these general job parents in the world will move to China, they should come to their other body. But we underground with the national number of the game shoe. We made a double pack and sugar at all. Nazuma and then meeting by the calm, Mamaji, then they shoot us something in Makushuti, Chilo, Cassia, Makushuti, Sadel, we do teaching and the Mazu Kodu Kashish, and in fact, Mama, but just in from Dinner job, if I any children, if you now any. 여름도 덕을 준비돼 장백가는 나도 저거 하나 나온 주고래 장고는 거지. 나는 겨울 지금 매주 나의 매운 매가다 이게 사람만 굳이 줘야 돼 제일 거야 돼 이게 사람 하나 나온 거래. 되는 셔뷰기 근데 논이냐 셔뷰기 나의 뒤에 봐라. 겨울 지금 내가 이렇게 겨울 지금 달게 나야 돼 남산을 그런 파피기 달게 나야 돼 차단 주고 근데 이것도 미마도 짱구가 하고 그래. 그래서 내가 먹고 지금 되게 좋은 거래. And then Joe Perez is not talking about across the team by another day. That the team by get up by another day and go up. So I was explaining to my fellow friends, Joe Perez is now he became a Tibetan family. So I can call him any time in 24 hours. So and and the Jumela Kuragi and the Kelly Lady and the Crown Chingi, Chindubaki, Law Foundry, Kelly Crown, and the Puritan survivor, Sumi Shula, and the Jim and Pavashi, Chindo, the Chingi, Nagayaka Crown, the Land and other China Figure. Then the Paloma and then around the Chindo, the Lacho and the Crown, that to be Chindu by Mesene, and other the Chekachugoma, and other the Temple. And the end of the president of the Sumi in any Jimela, and Kelly, Morality, Seven, and Transia, Hotel, Yamatana, was not Musirma on this way. So I was explaining that former state representative Spencer Black. So he was instrumental in bringing Tibet Day 20 years back. So we are very grateful for the Spencer. And then that followed by Joe Percy, still now, and then it's followed by Melissa. And then, so, I would like to thank Spencer, and then also I was explaining Charles Zorba. So I think most of the Tibetan knows him. So when His Holiness Dalai Lama visit Wisconsin first time, Dalai Lama, His Holiness has stayed at his home. And he was the instrumental of checking the Dalai Lama's health and bringing to the Mayo, and then 2 years back, knee surgery. And he's a very, and then also he used to visit Dharamsala and then check his own physical. He's one of the Dalai Lama's first private physician. So I would like to thank you, Dr. Zohar, very much and for being here. And then also at the same time, I would like to thank Dr. Zorba. We have a very small kitchen, and we have to make a bigger shed to keep our stuff from the kitchen. So the shed outside of that one, it costs like $35,000. So Dr. Zorba has donated. And then. So before I conclude my speech, I would like, may I have honor to invite Gishila on stage. Gishila, Tingel Peronaga. Then from Gishila, I would like to present the Tibetan Association, the latest book of His Holiness Dalai Lama, Voice for the Voiceless. So please, Dr. Zorbala, please can you come on stage and receive that one? And then also former state representative, Mr. Spencer, can you please come on stage? Then I would request our Mayor Satya, please come on stage. Gisela Tochana, thank you very much, Gisela. And then, before conclude my speech, I would like to thank all the guests and those who have been working with Tibetan for many years, like Dr. Former Speaker, former Representative of State Spencer, and Dr. Jorba and Joe Presley in Malaysia, and then Mayor Satya. And we have so many distinguished guests who support our Tibetan cause all the time. So, and then from this, taking this opportunity, I would like to request all of our guests to continuously support the Tibetan cause, and then also Tibetan cause, which I have explained on 10th December, is not only for the Tibetan, but also for the humankind, and then we have a huge potential of bringing in the world happiness of the humankind. So that would help everybody. I think that's all. And 정말 토치나로와 and 디네 안다 가지고 건다 샬라 땅뒤서 말 샬라 직 퍼져 가져 이데 디그르 디 가지고 건드줄래 미마 수직 마베로 치러 바게라 건드 치러 건드 디게 상황 가지고 샬라 퍼져 땅에로와 아니 미마 수 퍼겠지 맞지 미마 남기는 시간도 퍼져체 아니 다른 디스 대사디 가지고 디스 축스로 왔다 다른 디 시지말 디 가지고 딩게를 슈구저기로 왔디 라바이야 모디 모데 가지고 아와도 샤나 탑된다 디게디 치르예로 왔다 다른 데 가지고 야마티 축스로 Yeah, any thing the mic so today we don't have too much speech and too much. We are just going to enjoy the Tibetan Losser. So I'm going to hand over my mic to Mr. JK, who is the Sunday school manager, Sunday school principal, Sunday school teacher, or Sunday school cultural both, all in one.
So next we have the cultural performances by the Tibetan Weekend Tibetan Language and Culture School. So currently we have little above 70 students, and we meet here every Sunday for 5 hours. We have 3 sessions of language classes in the morning, and then 2 hours of dance and music in the afternoon. So students, they have worked really hard throughout the year. They have only 3 weeks of holiday during the summer, and that's all they get. And then the rest of the time they're here, and so.
너 Thank you all so much for being here, and thank you to the Wisconsin Tibetan Association for inviting me to join you in the celebration of the New Year. I know that, as was mentioned earlier, that this year the New Year is bittersweet because your community experienced the loss of His Holiness's youngest brother, Ngari Rinpoche. I want to express my condolences for your loss. May he find peace and liberation in the next life. This is the year of the fire horse. It's a challenge and it's an opportunity. The fire horse could amplify our worst tendencies. And honestly, when I read about the fire horse, I thought maybe the fire horse came early and has been busy amplifying our worst tendencies in Washington in particular. But it could also bring us the energy for transformational change. We're in a difficult time, particularly for immigrant communities. And I want you to know that the city of Madison stands with the Tibetan community. We know how important your community is to Madison and how important the diversity and the culture that you bring, particularly the work of the school here, to pass that culture on to the next generations, We know how important that is for our community, and I want to thank all of the teachers and the leadership of the school and all of the students for doing such an incredible job up here tonight. I also want you to know that the City of Madison is working every day to keep our community safe, and particularly our immigrant communities. My hope is that our community can collectively stay grounded in our values to balance out the energy of the fire horse, and that we can move with care and kindness as we navigate challenges. Together, let us do our best to harness the energy of the fire horse to bring positive change to our world, to our country, and to our community. I wish you all happiness, health, peace, and much success in this new year. Tashi Dalek.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mayor Cynthia Roach, for your kind words. And next, I would like to take the honor and invite Dane County Executive, Ms. Melissa Eggert, to share a few words in celebration of the Tibetan New Year.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I want to thank the Wisconsin Tibetan Association for always being so welcoming and reminding all of us what it is that we are rooted in this community, supporting one another, finding joy and compassion, and lifting up generations that are coming up behind us. There's a feeling of warmth when I walk through this door every single time. Today we're here to celebrate the Tibetan New Year and ushering in the Year of the Fire Horse, as the mayor said. And I want to extend my warmest wishes to all of those in the community who are celebrating this very meaningful and joyful tradition. This year, we're marking the Year of the Fire Horse to celebrate more peace, more strength, and more renewal, symbolizing forward momentum, because we all know we don't want to stay at this point in time any longer. Freedom, something we all should be celebrating more of. Endurance, something that we have all dug deep for and will continue to do for one another. And we cannot forget our spiritual growth and the fact that we need courage to continue moving through this time. Doing it with compassion will allow us to remember our joy and our purpose here today. So as we renew and reflect, we must not lose hope. And here in Dane County, we value the fact that all of our differences actually define our strengths. And we will always do what we need to protect one another here in Dane County. We are so fortunate to be the home of so many people from so many different backgrounds, but in particular, the Tibetan community reminds us of our resolve to continue to show up for one another, not forget our past, but also to invest in and protect our future. I hope that this is a year of peace, joy, and reminding one another that we are rooted in tradition, but also looking forward for our children and for future generations. Happy Year of the Fire Horse, and thank you so much for inviting me to be part of your Tibetan family and your community. It means a lot to me.
Thank you very much, Melissa. This song is dedicated to His Holiness the Dalai Lama and celebrating the Year of Compassion.
chung nam sang ma shu sa ngan so lan zom zom